Hey there Tesla fans, Aaron Rath here with you. Quick video today. If you're like me and you do a lot of modifications on your car, I know you've heard me say over and over and over again, just pull on it. You'll hear a pop, not a big deal. The plastic will be okay. And that's true. The plastic parts of the car, the panels are gonna be okay. But what you're gonna have problems with sometimes is breaking the retaining clips. So today's video, I just wanna show you something super important that I think everybody who works on their Tesla, modifies their Tesla, should have in their garage. If you don't modify your Tesla, if you're just comfortable with letting it sit the way it is, you probably don't need this big of a kit, or you don't necessarily need this. But if you pull any panels off, you might want to have something like this laying around in your garage. And that is something super simple. I picked this up on Amazon. This is a car retainer clip package. It's got 800 pieces in here. As we open this up, you can see, it's got tons of different retainer clips. Take this package apart and set it up top here, and you can see that it's got 18 different compartments of different types of retaining clips. And I will tell you that from a Tesla point of view, this is a retaining clip that you will be using a lot of on the inside. This is what holds most of the panels on. It's got this little edge so that it can catch on the panel, and then it has the push-in part. That part, this part right here, tends to be the part that breaks. So getting a kit like this off of Amazon, and by the way, it comes with all of the pieces that you see here on camera, plus it comes with 4 different plastic pry tools, a nice metal pry tool, these retainer clips that have the end, and then a zip tie. And this works good for keeping wiring in place. So if you're adding wiring, this would be super important. And then it also comes with these little felt pads in this bag. So this whole kit right here on Amazon is just $21.99. That is a super good deal for when you start talking about breaking little clips off. I can tell you from personal experience, I'm getting ready to put a video out for something that I'm putting in my trunk. I broke a couple clips there, so I need this. When I popped my front part of my trunk off, there's a clip underneath here, one of these little white ones from up top here that sits right here. I broke it. So just the peace of mind of having these clips around, these retaining clips around, is a good thing. If you work on your Tesla at all, these clips are very important to have. There's something that all cars use actually, and actually as I look at the ad for it, it talks about the plastic rivets for Toyota, GM, Ford, Honda, Acura, and Chrysler. It doesn't say anything about Tesla, but I've used this enough to know that all the retaining clips that are in here that the Tesla uses are in this kit itself. So I'm gonna put a link down in the description below. Unfortunately, I don't have a discount code, but like I said, it's only $21.99. It is a Prime product, so it's super easy to get, and it'll get to your house fast. And I would highly recommend having it on hand. And that way, if you do some modifications and you break a clip, or something happens and you break a clip, first off, you don't have to go to Tesla to try and get their clips, because I'm sure the clips that they want are going to be far more expensive than what I'm showing you, and I am sure that it's the exact same product. So $21.99 from Amazon, link in the description. That'll do it for today's video. Like I said, super short. Just wanted to talk about this product that I think that all Tesla modders want to have on hand. As always, please drop a like on this video. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe and hit that bell button. That way you get notified of new videos. And as always, drop a comment and let me know what you want to see in videos. But I will tell you, I have some really cool additions to both the interior and exterior of this car coming up as far as reviews and install videos go. So you're gonna wanna subscribe, and you're gonna wanna be part of this channel. Thanks so much for watching today, and we will catch you in the next video.